Hey guys, so today we're going to be installing some nice little clips. As you can see behind me, my Mustang has a new front bumper, and I really don't want to keep trying to take it off every single time I want to do something to the front of it. So, in here there's two screws, or nuts, that I just need to untwist, and then drill through here, the fender, and then drill through the bumper, sink these things through, tighten them up, and we'll be good. Let's get started. So things we're going to need, obviously the actual thing itself. I went with some Password JDM things, just some $10 eBay things. Then we also need to get some drills. The actual drill bits are right there. It's like a drill. I went with this one because this is the one I have. And obviously some tools. We need to get a Allen key to go and fit inside of here. Right there. We need to get something to fit on the end so we actually can tighten it later. So yeah, that's all we really need. Pretty simple. We also should probably measure out how far we want it. I don't know. I might not. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so first we need to go and peel off the inner liner. So we need to go and take off this one little nut right here. Twist it off, and then we need to peel back the inner liner so we can expose the two nuts on the back. And we can take off this corner, and we'll be good. So take the wrench and stuff. Well, depending on what kind of screw you have, because on the other side, I just have a regular Phillips, and then this one's one of these ones. Actually, I'm even going the right way. No, I'm tightening. I don't want to tighten. I want to loosen. I'm trying to take this off. So, let's loosen it. Almost out. Not enough for me to just do it by hand, apparently. Well, tool is falling apart. Okay, you bastard. You're just gonna... Come on. That's one nasty ass looking screw. Look at that. That's real gross looking. Anyway, set that aside, obviously for later. Let's peel this back a little bit. Ow. Pinching my fingers. Inside the inner liner. That's a bitch and a half. Now I need to try and figure out what the heck size is that. By the way, the other one was a 5.5 millimeter to try and take that off, just in case you have any of those ones. Like I said, all the other ones I have are all just like regular, like Phillips heads, which is really strange why the heck I have this one. Let's try and figure out what size this is. Nope, bigger. This one. Stupid close. Obviously not the right one. There we go. So I guess the inner screws of this are a 11. Like those. Let's get these things off. These bad Larrys off. So you can expose it. My tool even wants to fit in there. I don't know if I can even find the frickin' nuts. Alright, we'll come back when this comes off, because this is like wicked tedious and takes friggin' forever for these bolts to come back off. So, see you guys in a couple seconds. almost out. So let's bring it back now. Oh. And now they're out. These two little tiny freaking nuts literally just took me like 10 minutes to get out because they're so long. The threads are just so long for literally absolutely no reason other than just to hold it on, which you don't need that long of a thing just to hold on that. There's also a washer. And you see, freaking 10 minutes of doing that, real obnoxious. So that's why we're upgrading. Upgrading to something better, and also make sure to take this off within like a minute, because the front's only held down by like little tiny OEM screw plastic things. So yeah, a lot easier. Okay, so now we need to disassemble this a little bit. Take it all apart, obviously. Lay all your little tiny things to the side. Don't want to lose them, obviously. And we need to try and find a drill bit that's similar size as this, the actual screw. So we want to find one that's probably slightly bigger, but not too big, so we don't want it rattling around and stuff. For these Password JDM ones, it looks like you can use a 13/64, but like I said, anything really bigger than that, you can probably use 2. It just will rattle around a little bit. I personally just don't want it rattling around, but not sure if you guys can see that, but see, they're almost the same size. So now we can go and use this one, this drill bit, put it into our drill. Lay all this stuff over here. Let's get the drill real quick. Oh, tools are dropping. Drill bit. Oh, just get it out. I'm not sure why the heck this thing is so far out. Okay, that thing was literally all the way out. Now let's figure out our placement of where I want to put these, because I need to make so they actually reach each other. If I put them too far apart, that's going to suck, because that means I need to freaking stretch the thing even more than it has to, and I really don't want it to do that. So let's get the assembled set and see how far we need to put these. Yeah. Oh. So we got the assembled set right here. So now we need to try and figure out where exactly we want it. I'm thinking like here and like here. It's not too far apart, but it still holds it in there. So I'm just gonna, you probably could use a lot better technique, but I'm just gonna, obviously I just tried to scratch it, but I'm going to go and disassemble 2 of them. Leave that one assembled. Like this. And this. Actually, I almost forgot about it. I literally need to go and get my Sharpie from inside my house, and then we can mark those. But yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be marking them and then drilling them. Pretty easy. So just found my Sharpie, my old reliable Sharpie that's freaking been since high school, inside my bag. I literally just found it. Took me like 10 minutes to find it. Which really shouldn't have took me 10 minutes, because I literally just did this in one of my friend's cars the other 2 weeks ago. So first of all, I want to mark out where I want the one on the body, because that one's a little more important. That one's just actually on it. So that one, I'm going to make sure this is still lined up and stretch it out. So around like right here. Now we got our 2 little marks on there. You probably can't see the little marks, but trust me, they're there. I can see them. Where the heck did the cover go? I lost my cap. Oh, there it is. Don't want to lose the caps of these, because that'd be bad. Alright, so now that they're there, let's get drilling. So, I'm just going to drill straight through. Oh, back it out. Got stuck there. Why are you getting stuck? Things tightened all the way through. Now it's drilled. Now the bumper. Sweet. Now we just need to reassemble these things, but on the car, for obvious reasons. So we need that on the front. Well, a little too small. So if you guys are doing this, probably get the next size up. So we're just gonna swap that up real quick. I thought it was the right size. All nice and tight again. Also just bored it out a little bit, just to make sure it fits this time. Alright, so just thread it through. Also gonna need these things, obviously. Let's see what size it is. Try a 3, whatever the heck that means. Oh, it is. Already snug, but I still have to put the washer and the nut on the back. So just, nope, I don't want to lose the washer, that'd be bad. I only have 4 of these, so washer's on, nut is on, just kidding, it's about to be on. Reach my hand up in there, that'd probably help. Now on this other nut from one of the other ones, just gonna figure out what size it actually is. Bigger than an 8. Let's try 9. Bigger than 9. Could be a 10. I hope it's a 10. It is a 10. So, let's just go and take off that. I need my little adapter. Little adapter. Shove this on. And the other one's already on there. That's set to loosen, because we were loosening stuff earlier. This is a little more difficult than I anticipated. One click. We're getting there. Slowly but surely, I think. back when this is tightened. This is gonna take freaking forever. I found a lot easier way to do this. So literally just hold the wrench back there and then twist with your Allen key. So much easier, so much simpler. And you also don't have to have your hand rammed back here trying to tighten this thing. You literally just hold it there and it tightens. So, yeah. And like that, already tightened. Just gonna do one little last turn, make sure it's on there. And look at that! Got our first one on. Now we just need to put the second one on, but the second one should be a lot easier because it's actually on the thing that comes off. So let's just take up all the other things. Oh. Things can be annoying again, making me twist it on. We still got this. So, I'll just twist it on there. Be a lot easier than trying to force it through. And I really don't want to put another drill bit on. So, or do that. That helps too. Twist it on. Should be done any second. Yep. Already done that. Grab our wonderful washer again. Oh. This one's being a nuisance. Let's grab the smaller washer from earlier, because right where I put this, I didn't actually look to see what was behind it, and the freaking bracket's directly behind it, so the other washer doesn't fit. The real question is, how the hell am I supposed to tighten this? Might have to get some regular wrenches. Or just hold it with my finger. Hope for the best. Well, I'm considering that tight enough. I'm just holding on this. So, let's see what it finally looks like. Look at that. Not perfect, obviously, because it's not actually holding it on there. Because this bumper's a little deformed or something. It's definitely an eBay bumper, but it works. Hope you guys like that little bitty install. It's probably a lot better. Sorry for my face being all extremely white. The sun's right there. But yeah. Hopefully you guys like that little install. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. We're out. Can't even freaking click the button, goddammit.